Welcome to the instructional video of the application of Dry Seal MP White. Please consider the safety information when using our products. Before you start applying the Dry Seal MP, make sure you have already performed these first 4 steps of the 7 steps. Cut approximately 4 cm from the front of the nozzle at an angle. Place the top of the nozzle against the top of the rebate. This determines the slant of the opening with which you can exactly fill the entire rebate in one motion. Step 5. Fill the rebate with a smooth motion. Ensure the sealant is being dispensed smoothly to prevent air entrapment. Apply the Dry Seal MP with a slight overfill. Step 6. Using the EQ sealant applicator, smooth the rebate. Tip: when the Dry Seal MP is cured, the residue can easily be removed. Step 7. Apply the paint system according to the paint supplier's recommendation. Good luck with your repair.